Trying to go the other way, but I can't seem to get you out of my head.
We're Lina and Dan, and we would like to welcome you to our adventure.
It's calling me, like the rainbow. It's calling me, like the rainbow, the rainbow.
So they have great like Western Canadian art, and then on the third floor it's really a history of Calgary. A little bit further down there's our brand new public library, which I would definitely recommend checking out, especially if you're into photography. It's really great. It's just won a bunch of awards for its architecture. It's actually this building right here.
Oh, looks good.
So it's really, really cool.
That's good.
And then beside that is Studio Bell, the National Music Center for Canada. It's like a music museum. Again, really cool for pictures and stuff. And then you'd be in the East Village, kind of this neighborhood. There's a really great cafe and bake shop right on the riverfront that you could go eat at and take some lovely pictures there. This is the Fort Calgary, which is our history museum here in the city.
Oh,
so
perfect,
definitely
yeah.
a cool one to see. And then we have a really great extensive river pathway system. So you can walk along the river for about half an hour and like be on a great pathway. You're separate from bikes most of the time, so it's super, super nice. And it's really great.
So where are we going next? To get our rental car. We just got our car and we are going now to Stevens Avenue Walk, which is one of the most famous walks here in Calgary.
In 1 mile, keep right onto 4 Avenue Southeast towards 4 Avenue South.
So we just arrived on Stevens Avenue Place and we noticed so many street performances here.
So far, this is the busiest street we've seen in Calgary.
And there's so many restaurants and little bakery shops. So we're just gonna go sit somewhere and have lunch.
So what are you gonna get now?
Maybe the tuna salad.
So the menu is very interesting. It looks like we have an international menu.
Thai tuna.
Okay, California Cup, Thai tuna. So that's South Korea.
Los Angeles, New Orleans. Oh, India, Mumbai, India.
See what I mean? That's beautiful. Love it. We even have China.
I really enjoy our view here at this restaurant. We have a live performance, live music.
So what do you think? You like it?
It's delicious. So we're walking through Central Memorial Park.
Just a little fact that this park went for a major revitalization between 2008 and 2009 for $11.5 million. That's amazing. That's a lot of money. Come on, baby, we have only 5 seconds. 3, 2,
Movie love, in for some more of anything that comes along. Oh, forever high above.
The warmest time of the day is around 4 p.m. Sunset is around 10 p.m.
Wow, we're not used to that because in California it's around 8:30.
And Thailand is around 6 o'clock. So everywhere in the world is different.
Only for this ride.
So guess what? We ordered for dessert Creme Brulee. I can't pronounce it exactly in French.
Everywhere where we go, we always try the creme brulee. So this is now the creme brulee in Calgary. Presentation is the best that we've seen so far.
It's really good.
You like it?
It's more sour, but comparing with Anguilla Island, Anguilla actually is on the lead place. Maybe this is the second one.
Let me
And
try
maybe
it now.
Barbados is the third one.
Oh, how was Barbados?
Barbados was okay. So,
I don't remember.
you wanna try it?
Yeah, let me try it.
Now?
And the good thing that I like about this creme brulee that doesn't have any dairy. This one is made of coconut milk, so it has a very good taste of coconut.
What about the sour taste?
Yeah, I can feel a little bit, but that's why they put some strawberry jellies here. So you just get a little bit of the strawberry jelly. You just put it right here.
So this is different way of preparing.
And now it's a lot better. This is a caramel with coconut. It's mixed.
That's very interesting.
It's very good.
Okay.
So let's try it like that.
Nice.
Very good. You should try that.
After exploring Calgary all day, I would say this city is so relaxing and peaceful and so beautiful.
Skin driving